wait! Oh no, I can't wait! I'm still inside! Lily, I really need the bathroom! I'm still playing! Just a little longer! My bubbles are so funny! Quack, quack, let's play!
Henry, what's happening?
Dad, Lily locked the bathroom! I really can't wait anymore!
Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Henry, what's wrong?
Dad, Lily won't open the door! La la la, this is so much fun! La la, la la la. Why is everyone here?
Lily locked the bathroom.
Lily, sweetheart, please open the door. Okay, just one more minute. Is she opening it?
Wait, something is happening.
Oh, were you waiting? Yes, I really need it. Thank you, Lily. You're welcome.
Always remember to be quick.
I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm sorry, Henry.
It's okay.
I promise I'll be better.
I forgive you. Wait, what's that? Something is moving.
It's moving! It's my toy robot!
It's only your toy robot.
I'll be quicker next time. Thank you, Lily. I can wait politely. Thanks for waiting.
Now everyone is happy.
Teamwork makes every problem easier.
Yeah, the bathroom is so funny. The bubbles went everywhere.
And we cleaned it up together.
That's the spirit.
Kindness and patience make a happy family.
We'll always help each other. If you enjoyed our story, please like, share, and subscribe.
Join our family for more easy English stories.
Subscribe to the English Family Story and keep learning English with us.
See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: always think about other, be patient, be kind, and share with your family. Good manner make everyone happy. Thank you.